Ball. Oh, shit! Oh, my God, go inside!
Oh my God, get back! Clarence! Oh my God! Oh my God!
You shaking! You ain't no husky! Come on, we go in the house. Oh, you running to the door. You running to the door. I thought you wanted to be a husky.
Hey!
Get over here. Charlie, get over here. God damn it. Please do that.
Oh my God. Did you get enough water? Oh.
Hey! No! No!
You know you a real doggy mom when you got clothes for him. Where your sweater at? Put it back on.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a friend.